Hi, in this video we're doing some maintenance on the Honda HHR216-series lawnmower, and first thing I recommend doing is pulling out the spark plug wires so you avoid accidental firing up the engine. And in another video I'll show you how I use this Dremel tool attachment to sharpen the blade. Of course you can do any of your preferred methods, including hand file or the flap disc for your grinder. So I'm just going to skip that step for you of removing the blades because removal is the reverse of installation here, so I'll just show you how I'm installing these back. Now what I also recommend is to wash underneath the deck regularly, especially if you're mowing the grass that is wet. And actually I would advise against mowing it when wet because that dulls your blade. So anyway, but regular maintenance and cleaning will avoid any rust or corrosion of the deck and also buildup of this grass residue. Oh, and also don't forget to torque your blades to about 40 foot-pounds or 55 Newton meters. Another thing I do for tune-up is I replace the spark plug. The manual will say replace them every season. I do probably once every 3 to 5 years. It still starts with the first pull. These are good quality spark plugs made in Japan. And I use 13/16 socket for these spark plugs on these Honda motors. And this one has been in this mower for about 5 years now, 5 seasons, so it doesn't look terrible. You can check the gap. They actually come pre-gapped from the factory here. And I compare the two spark plugs, the old, the new, just to make sure it's the same kind and make sure it meets the same specs. And then when it's time to put it back in, make sure you thread it by hand. And it can be torqued to about 14 foot-pounds or 20 Newton meters, but I just use a good old German spec, good and tight. And this is a good time to put your spark plug wire back on if you're planning to start it. And final step in this tune-up procedure is to replace the air filter element. This is a original one from Honda. In fact, I picked it up from Amazon, but it is the correct part listed here. And that is the easiest portion here, pretty easy to do. So open up your air cleaner, inspect the old filter. If it's not contaminated too badly, you can actually blow that out and get rid of it. Actually, this one doesn't look bad, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. That other one was about 5 years old also. Pop the cover back on, and we are good to go. And as always, she starts with the first pull. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.